So we're going to talk about phrasal verbs first. You might not know the technical term phrasal verb, but you must have used them, every now and then. You must have heard of such terms: carry on, carry out, figure out. Have you heard of such things, Amisha?
Yes.
As in, which one do you use regularly?
Mostly like carry on.
And what does that mean?
Means you have to just go with the flow.
You have to continue something, right?
I
And
have to
Saurabh,
continue.
what's your take? Have you heard any phrasal verbs ever?
Yes, I heard about, but not usually used in my daily conversation.
No problem. As in, you must have heard of check in, the hotel thing,
Yes,
right?
yes. Check in, check out, take off. I heard
Yeah,
all this.
the plane took
Yes,
off. Yeah.
yes, yes.
So that is what we're going to do today. First, I've given you some phrasal verbs, but I've removed the second part, the adverb. And I've given you the meaning also. Just go through this part, as in, look at it, give it a read, the table in front of you. So if you see, you have 10 phrasal verbs in front of you. If you have not read them all, no problem. I'll give you some time to solve them, to as in complete the table. What you are supposed to do is you have to as in complete the phrasal verb by supplying the right adverb in each case, and the adverbs are there in the box: off, down, out, in, up. You can use any of them more than once, or you can
Mhm.
use any of them once only. And it's not a test or anything. I'm just activating your knowledge. Okay, sometimes we know things but we are not able to use them confidently, and I'll explain to you the phrasal verbs that you are not sure about, or I'll explain to you all the phrasal verbs after the activity. For example, if you think uh, be successful in something is mentioned by represented by the phrasal verb, I'll not tell you the answer, but I'll make a fake one right now. It could be pull something down, right? So if you think pull something down means be successful in doing something, for the first one you will write the answer down here,
Mm.
then you will write the answer down, and then so on. Okay,
Okay.
so how many blanks do you have to complete, Saurabh?
Yes, sir.
How many blanks do you have to complete? I'm just checking the understanding of the instructions. How many blanks will you complete, Saurabh?
Um, so actually,
10. You
properly
have
I
10
don't
in
know.
front of you, no? 10.
10. Yes.
And how many words can you use, Amisha?
5 words: off, down, out, in, up.
Can you use any of them more than once, Saurabh? Can you use these
Never.
words more than once?
No.
You
No. No.
can,
No,
you
sir.
can, you can, you can. You can use, like, off can be here and here also. I've written that, no? Once or more than
Okay.
once. No problem. And you will understand the meaning. For example, I've written carry. One sec, I'll type it. Suppose I've written carry something dash. For example, I've written this carry something dash, and then I've given you the meaning continue it. Continue it. That means here you will use the phrasal verb. I don't have on here, so maybe on. So here you will use on. So you'll have to take into account the meaning, then accordingly you'll have to complete the phrase.
Hmm.
Do you understand it now? Sorry.
Yes.
So I want you to do it on your own first, and I give you guys 5 minutes to complete this activity. You can look at the screen, or you have the file already. Turn off your cameras and your microphones and complete this activity.